Hi guys, here we are on the delivery trail. Bloomsbury Road, Kingston. Nice music I play, I don't know if you know that.
Ready?
Come in, Miss Jack. I don't know if you know that music, still some big people music. And them vibes they always go on the ends?
Yeah.
Okay. Every evening or just a weekend thing?
Weekend thing.
Weekend thing. Oh, I like the music though. Big
My
people,
son.
big people. Oh, your son? Oh, somebody run a bar or something?
No, prepare the 9-9.
Oh, okay, just a play for the 9-9. Oh, talking about 9-9. Sorry for that. Sorry for your loss. Here? Who you lose, by the way?
Brother.
Your brother?
15 years old.
15? Wow. 15. How you manage that? How you manage?
Bad, wicked. Yeah, but that's having this stuff stressed
Tragic
out.
circumstances. I was sick.
Some friends tell you.
Alright, so this is too sad. Now you make me not even bother want to get the delivery. I'm just going to take out the package and leave. Hello, pretty girl. How are you? You're fine? Who says you're fine?
Me.
What a pretty smile. What's your name?
Natalia.
Natalia? Oh, Atalia. It's the first time hearing that name. Have you ever heard of Atalia? No. Atalia is going to be a star now. Atalia is the first time hearing that name. What do you want to do when you grow up? Want to be a singer? Alright, sing a song with me because you say you're going to be a singer. Let me hear it. Sing something, let me hear, man. Sing something, let me hear now. So Atalia is a shy singer? I cannot believe Atalia is going to be a singer, but Atalia is going to be a shy singer. So guess what? We are going to buy your records on online. That's fine? Like iTunes and that, we can buy your records there. Okay. So I can get your autograph from now? Atalia laughing at me, I can't get your autograph. You don't know what an autograph is?
Your
man,
signature.
you're gonna have to prepare yourself as a star. Yes, they're gonna sign my shirt that Atalia was here and I'll never wash it out because you're a star and I know it. So you're going to the funeral tomorrow as well? You're going to the funeral? Oh, sorry for your loss, okay? Alright, so I can just give you a packaging up because the sad story I mean it really work out well. I'm really sorry to hear. Kind of tells about the time that we're living in. You know, hope you and the family able to cope by some means, by whatever means.
Yeah, try me.